How to turn photo to sketch in Canva. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods then you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So first upload your image from here. You can upload image from here. So I just use this one. After upload, you can see your image here. You have to just select like this. It will be come to the your page. Now as I said you, there's a two methods. So first method, you can use apps. So there is a lots of apps in Canva. So okay, you can search for apps here. uh, Photo to sketch. Okay, so there is a lots of apps. You can see this one, sketch my photo, photo to sketch. We have lots of options, so you can use any one. I just select this one. So in app there is a credits, or you can there is a need to purchase the app. Okay, so I'm going to show you the free. Okay, so here we have the 3 credit. Okay, so you can use like transfer to sketch. You can also make transparent background. Okay, now just click on transfer to sketch. Your image will be by default selected by app. Now it's working. Okay, the sketch has been created. Now can replace that original image. Yeah, this is your sketch, but it is not perfect, I can understand. So I just undo it. So you can use any others app like this. Okay, the image has been selected. Now just generate. We have one credit only here. So this is the first method. I'm going to show you the another method also. It will be perfect. So let me check. It will it generate perfect or not? Yeah, it's like this is our sketch. This is our original photo. You can start over again, or you can just replace that image. Okay, I have already used that sketch. Okay, so this is the first method. You can use the app. Okay, and the second method is this is a Canva AI. Okay, just select that image, go to the Canva AI and just prompt convert this image into real sketch. Now you just give the prompt. Now it will take some time, it will be working. Yeah, the result has been come. You can see, just click that image, the image will be upload here or replace. Now just resize it. Now it is like real sketch. Now just go to share, go to download, and download as a PDF or PNG, whatever you want. Okay, you can also make as a background. Okay, it's like a real sketch. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching. Okay, let me put it side by side, real or original. Real and original. Yeah, this is original and this is sketch. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe me.